Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. Really excited to bring you this one today because I think this is incredible value and you can't really go wrong with it. Now, AI obviously is massive. There are so many things happening in AI on a daily basis, and we all need to keep abreast of what's happening, and we all need to keep involved with AI so that we don't get left behind. You know, it's really important that you use this stuff, you get used to this stuff, and you use it to your advantage. Now, today, this offer is something that really caught my eye, and I've thought of you guys because straight away I could see that this was incredible value. What we've got here are over 25 AI apps, literally for less than the price of one. I've also got a discount coupon for you to take 30% off of everything, the front end and every single thing in the funnel. So use AI Supreme, all one word, as your discount coupon, and that's going to take 30% off of everything, the front end and all of the upgrades. You'll get a 30% discount if you go through my link and you use that coupon code. Now, unlike all the hype out there in a lot of these sales pages, the sales page I'm about to show you is full of content about what this actually gives you, because there is so much here. It's insane value. And I tell you what, with that coupon code as well, it's bonkers. Biggest no-brainer ever. So this is the beginning of the sales page, but look, it starts here, okay? So it says world's first only AI tech bids adieu to 25 adieu. Yeah, bids adieu to 25 plus complex and expensive marketing apps forever. So it says, say goodbye to Canva, Adobe Express. AI Supreme creates scroll-stopping graphics with 1,500 plus templates, all right? Say goodbye to Aweber, GetResponse, etc. AI Supreme creates and sends tons of inbox-friendly emails to your subscribers. Now that alone, right? All right, those first two, it's just unbelievable. Say goodbye to Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo. AI Supreme generates high quality AI images for blogs, websites, ads or social media. Say goodbye to Wix, Shopify and others because you get a website designer. Say goodbye to ClickFunnels because you get a funnel creator. Say goodbye to Landing.ai, Unbounced, etc. with high converting landing pages. Get 150 templates. So it's not even just the tools, it's like the templates and all that as well. Say goodbye to InVideo, Adobe Premiere. AI Supreme generates ready-to-use videos with 50 plus templates for YouTube, no skills required. Replace InShorts, creates Facebook Shorts and Stories, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and of course that would be YouTube Shorts as well. Replace Jasper, ChatGPT 4o, Gemini. So AI Supreme creates 100% human-like content that Google loves for your blogs, VSLs, scripts, sales copy, email copy, and ad copies, etc. Replace Tideo or ManyChat because you've got 75 plus AI trained chatbots that automate customer interaction. Replace SEMrush, Hrefs because AI Supreme ranks all your websites, blogs, etc. on the top of search engines. Replace Lovo and Murph. AI Supreme creates 100% human-like sounds with 75 plus voices that your audience can't ignore. I mean, this gives something, it's like a ton of stuff here. Replace TubeBuddy or vidIQ. AI Supreme ranks all your YouTube videos like a pro. Replace GiftHub and Copilot. AI Supreme builds professional codes with zero prior coding skills. Say goodbye to Google Analytics, Hotjar. Track website user behavior to optimize your online presence. Say goodbye to Hootsuite and Buffer. AI Supreme drives real traffic with real-time social insights. Say goodbye to Ad Creative AI and Keltra, I think it is, create compelling ads that boost profits hands down. Say goodbye to lead magnet creators. AI Supreme comprises of lead magnets that captures leads instantly. Say goodbye to third-party traffic platforms. AI Supreme drives tons of red hot traffic to all your offers. And say goodbye to monthly fees because this is a one-time low price. And of course, if you use that special coupon code for you, you are going to get 30% off the front end and all the upgrades that you decide to take. So as you can see, this is incredible value. It really is. The front end price currently, as I'm recording this, is less than $17, and you're going to get 30% off of that, and you get all of those tools. I mean, it is absolutely bonkers. It really is. So take a look at the sales page. There's a lot of information. This is a long sales page, so you're going to find a lot of content on here. Just go through at your leisure. But let me show you inside the members area now so you can get a feel for how this looks. So you've got your website builder, funnel page creator, all of these different buttons linked, ready to go. So if we just click on website builder, you'll see the templates there. So that alone, this could be, that alone could be a product in itself, couldn't it? But of course, that's just one of them. The funnel and page creator. So I've not done anything on here yet, but you can see there's the funnel and page creator. Your email automation. Again, I've not done anything there yet, but you can see that that's there. AI content generator. So that's how you generate your AI content. Your graphics designer. And this has got pre-made graphics templates as well. So again, this could be a product in its own right, and you get that as part of it. AI image generator, I haven't done that yet. So as you can see, it's like a Mid-Journey, etc., a DALL-E, but it's just like very easy to use. AI agents, this is pretty impressive. You watch as these load up. You've got all of these agents. So you've got Alex, investment manager. You've got Emily, the accountant. Liam, the financial analyst. You've got the marketing planner, sales planner, talent coach, motivational coach, life coach, personal trainer, motivational speaker. So these are agents. These are programmed to actually take that role that they say that they do there, which is pretty impressive. Something that's been kind of happening more recently in AI. Video creator. So this is to the likes of InVideo. Again, as you can see, this is a full video creator. It's very impressive stuff, guys. It really is. Shorts and Reels generator. Although you need to sign up for that one to get started on that. So that's its own standalone. AI smart bots. You can see the demo on the right hand side. It is like it's a massive no-brainer. The voiceover. You've got all your voices down here. So that's that there. AI code generator. If you like a bit of coding. Social media content generator. You can see all this. Instagram and captions and LinkedIn and tweets and all sorts of stuff going on there. Lead magnet form builder. So there's your forms. 3D design generator. You know what I mean? It really is very impressive. And GIF generator. There you go. Animated GIF. Wow. So that's inside the members area. As I said, it is an absolutely massive bundle and already cheap at $16.95, but with that 30%, not 13, 30% extra when you get it through me with my special coupon code. Don't forget it. Add that in at the checkout. It will say, I have a coupon. Now, you do need to make sure you're cookied to me in order to get that coupon, that discount, and my bonuses. In order to check that you are cookied to me, you do that on the checkout page. I'll show you how to do that now. So on the sales page, you just come through, click on the buy button. Well, that takes you down to the bottom, and there we are going to click here. Oh, they've dropped it. It's dropped to $14.95, so that's pretty cool. So when you're on this is the checkout page for Warrior Plus, and up here, it's going to say, for example, the vendor is Bizomar, etc. Don't worry about the vendor. Don't worry about any of that stuff. What you need to do is come down here, and here where it says Powered by Warrior Plus, okay, you need to just hover over that little icon there, and it will say Ref 31584 Trevor C. All right. Don't worry about this where it says Trevor Carr. That's because I'm logged in on a different account. But what you're going to be looking for is when you hover over this, you see that number 31584 Trevor C. If you see anything else, it's not me, and you won't get the bonuses. So if you see, for example, it might say Warrior Plus when you hover over it. That's not me. It needs to say Trevor C in order for you to get the bonuses. All right. And talking of bonuses, as if this wasn't already a complete and utter no-brainer, you're going to get all of these. All right. So Tiny Tool Suite, a curated site offering free online tools for web designers, icons, fonts, colors, etc. You're going to get 2,100 Ico font. It's an icon library with 2,100 icons usable for personal and commercial projects. 3,000 Wow patterns, a marketplace offering 3,000 patterns for commercial and personal use. Small business marketing guide. 30 animated backgrounds. Email and phone extractor, tools to quickly extract email addresses and phone numbers. 120 sites tool hub. QR maker, 100 digital marketing tips, 1,000 plus template kit, a collection of over 1,000 graphic design templates, Cloud Daddy full access, that's cloud hosting for media files with fast, speed and secure protection. Auto Niche Pro full access, AI powered tool to create affiliate websites with auto updating content. Tube Traffic AI full access, AI tool to redirect YouTube views to chosen links or offers. Shop Fusion full access, software for creating comparison shopping websites. Also going to get our AI Schultzmate, AI for productivity, AI profit class, customer relationship marketing, list building profit kit, affiliate marketing kit, online marketing blueprint 2024, blogging traffic mantra, modern niche marketing, instant conversion mastery, and internet marketing secrets. You're going to get all of those for free if you get it through my link. All right, so make sure you cookie to me. So as you can see, you know, it really is an incredible package of AI tools, and that's just one time that you pay that very, very low fee, you know. And as we've just seen at the moment, if you get in now quickly, $14.95. Dirt cheap, super cheap, incredible, actually incredible. So go ahead, click the link below this video now, make sure you're cookie to me, don't forget to use your discount coupon codes, and if you've got any questions or any issues or anything else, just feel free to contact me. I am here for you. All right, so go and do that now. It's a no-brainer. You get so much with this, it really is absolutely crazy. Do that now, and I will see you soon. You take care, all the best.